जय पर्यावरण एवरीवन। विद्या ददाति विनयं विनयाद् याति पात्रतां पात्रत्वात् धनमाप्नोति धनाद् धर्म ततः सुखम्। इस श्लोक का अर्थ है विद्या विनय देती है, विनय से पात्रता आती है, पात्रता से धन मिलता है, धन से धर्म और धर्म से सुख प्राप्त होता है।
Hello students, welcome again in series of English, and today's topic is gender of nouns. Students, in grammatical term or grammatical language, some nouns are classified by their biological sex. Okay, students, when you are thinking about gender matlab ling. Okay, students, so when you are hear this term gender means लिंग, हिंदी में उसे हम लिंग कहते हैं. एंड देयर आर 4 टाइप्स ऑफ जेंडर इन इंग्लिश ग्रामर. वन फर्स्ट इज फेमिनाइन, सेकंड विद मैस्कुलिन, थर्ड वन इज कॉमन जेंडर, एंड फोर्थ वन इज न्यूटर जेंडर. Okay students, English gender in English grammar, number 1 is feminine, second one is masculine, third one is common gender, and fourth one is neuter gender. Feminine gender means it belongs to gender who are females, or you can say women, you can say girl. And masculine gender belongs to man or male, or you can say he. कॉमन जेंडर स्टूडेंट्स, कॉमन जेंडर्स वह कहलाते हैं जो कि मेल और फीमेल दोनों होते हैं. लाइक जो टर्म्स मेल भी होती है और फीमेल भी होती है. लाइक इफ़ यू आई विल से कि टीचर, तो टीचर कैन बी ऑफ फीमेल और टीचर कैन बी ऑफ मेल. जो स्टूडेंट्स टीचर आपके स्कूल में सर भी होंगे और मैडम भी होगी, पर दोनों एक डेजिनेशन है उन लोगों की. टीचर, डॉक्टर, इट कैन बी फीमेल और इट कैन बी मेल. प्लेयर, स्टूडेंट्स यू आर स्टूडेंट्स, गर्ल्स आर देयर, बॉयज आर देयर, बट हु स्टडी इन द स्कूल आर कॉल्ड स्टूडेंट्स. सो स्टूडेंट्स कैन बी common gender. And neuter gender is the non-living things. All non-living things in this world are called neuter gender. Students, see, there is a good definition of masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, and neuter gender. A noun that denotes a male animal, it is said to be of the masculine gender. Here we can say animal or person. Feminine gender, a noun that denotes a female animal or animal person, it is said to be the feminine. Common gender, a noun that denotes either or a male or female, is said to be of common gender. Neuter gender, a noun that denotes a thing without life, is said to be the neuter gender. Students, neuter gender क्या कहलाता है? Non-living things. बस not simple things is non-living things are called neuter gender. Neuter gender means like fan, pencils, nouns they cannot have life are called neuter gender. Okay, on neuter genders, maleness and femaleness does not apply. These are neither male nor female, like book, table, pen, god, school, rock. They are usually non-living thing. See here, common gender. Common gender refers to member of species that can be male or female. Either it can be male or either it can be female. This can be either male or female, like teacher, child, worker, friends, cousins, neighbors. Students, see, common genders are used either for male or for female. It can be either male or female. मतलब इसका मतलब ये होता है कि वह आदमी भी हो सकता है, पुरुष भी हो सकता है और स्त्री भी हो सकती है। जैसे हमने बोला चाइल्ड, कोई भी चाइल्ड है, चिल्ड्रन और चाइल्ड। अब चाइल्ड क्या हो सकता है? गर्ल भी हो सकती है, बेबी हो सकती है और बॉय भी हो सकता है। वी से बेबी, बेबी वर्ड यूज्ड फॉर द इन्फेंट, जो कि बेबी कैन बी चाइल्ड, सॉरी गर्ल, और ही बॉय, ही बेबी और शी बेबी, मतलब वो गर्ल भी हो सकती है। तो इट इज़ कॉल्ड कॉमन जेंडर। अब से मस्कुलिन जेंडर, some examples of masculine genders are here, like grandfather. So you automatically see grandfather is masculine. The word grandfather is masculine because it denotes to a male person. So students, keep in your mind masculine male, feminine female, common gender both female or male, and neuter for non-living things. Here we are having lot of list of genders. When we will find out in genders, we in human beings there are lot of classification of genders. In animals also, like they are having term of gender, like उनके भी लिंग होते, like dog. So what is the dog is a male gender. When we are talking about feminine gender of dog, it is called bitch. Okay students, see masculine and feminine and common. Masculine duke, duchess, waiter, waiteress, bachelor, bachelorette, king, queen, actor, actress, emperor, empress, hero, heroine, widower, widow, landlord, landlady, salesman, saleswoman, steward, stewardess, host, hostess, god, goddess, lord, lady, count, countess, court, count, countess, prince, princess, policeman, policewoman. And we can say police officer, we can say for common noun gender. Okay students, because police can be male or female both. So students, we are having lot of examples surrounding by us. You are having a father, mother, sister, brother. You all are having a biological sex of gender. Okay students, तो सेक्स मतलब जेंडर मतलब लिंग, एक ओके, स्त्रीलिंग और पुल्लिंग। पुल्लिंग मतलब पुरुष और स्त्रीलिंग मतलब फीमेल. So students, we are having like you just see in your house, make a list of gender in your house. Start from your house. So you just categorize masculine, feminine, and common and neuter. Students, your grandfather is masculine, then you just grandmother, father, mother, sister, brother, आंटी, अंकल, ठीक है, नेफ्यू, नीस. अब नेफ्यू इज ए मस्क्यूलिन, नेफ्यू मतलब भतीजा एंड नीस मतलब भतीजी, तो नेफ्यू एंड नीस. सो हीरो एंड हीरोइन, एक फिल्म में क्या होता है, मस्कुलिन हीरो होता है एंड फेमिनिन क्या होता है, हीरोइन. तो मस्कुलिन जेंडर्स बिलोंग्स टू मेल सोसाइटी, मेल टर्म्स, मेल क्लासिफिकेशंस. feminine genders belongs to female or women or girl or she. Have you seen in the airports and something like he or she, where it is written for facilities for washrooms? तो he मतलब genders belongs to masculine and she belongs to feminine. So students, we are having lot of examples in your house when you will, and lot of animals for animals like horse, mare, dog, bitch, lion, lioness, tiger, tigress, hen, cock. Yeah, you can say cock, hen. Okay. She got, he got. She like duck, duckies. Duckling. Duckling is the young ones, and it's a duchess. Okay, students. Then you can identify lot of things by their sex. Okay, students. So I hope you understood the lesson. Thank you, students.